Hello, today I am Sri Charan. Today I'm given a project in order to find the in order to make the student report class. For this to happen, we've created a source code where we want to give the uh, we want to give the basic student report card where it can display the grading and everything, and grading the marks, the result, and the comments even. For this to happen, the basic header files that we've used here is fstream, input output manip, and then iostream, and we have created a class called student over here, where the basic things we have declared are the roll number, name, marks in various subjects such as physics, chemistry, maths, English, etc. And I've given a float percentage, grade, that is A, B, C, etc. If I use the construction where it is called public, in public I've given a void functions such as calculate, get data, show data, and show the tabular column and the roll number. First in we used a function called void student where I'm supposed to give the various outputs of the marks such as marks in physics, chemistry, maths, English, computer, etc. Here I've used a referral statement where if the percentage is greater than or equal to 60, it will display as grade equal to A, and in the further I've given percentage is greater than or equal to 50, grade equal to B, else percentage greater than or equal to 33, the grade is C, else the student will be failed. Here I've used a function called student in order to get the data, where I've given the COUT statements for the following, that is enter the roll number, enter the name of the student, enter the marks in physics out of 100, and chemistry, maths, English, computers, etc. I've given everything in order to get the data for the marks which are to be calculated, and further I've given void student data in order to show the data, that is cout roll number, cout name, marks in physics, marks in chemistry, etc. And I've given small thing where it will be displayed in the tabular column such as the roll number, uh, name, marks in the different subjects, and um, grade, etc., percentage. I've created a class called int student where the roll number will be displayed, and the basic functions which we used here are void of right student, void display all, void display, and void modify student data, void delete student data, and void class result, void introduction, and void intermenu. Here we have used a switch case statement in order to create the basic tabular column for the creation of the class, such as where the first option you will have is the result menu, and second one will be entry or edit menu, and third one will be exit menu. In the first keyword statement, the option will be like please select your option, and where I've taken a character called ch in the front, where I can give my switch case choice to be such as 1, 2, 3, etc. And further, we have given while not, we have used a while loop here, which gives while not character not equal to 3. Once the value is other than 3, the process will be returned and the program will be stopped. And
Hi, this is Giresh Navudya Jacob, President of PCS Teddy. I am also a member of this project, and as explained before by Charan, this program is a file management program which is used for storing information of a student and create as a student report. Now I'm going to continue. We are creating a void body called write student for writing some editing some information in the student file, and we are creating a member for that, object member for that, student st, and then void stream is to read the file which we have saved, and we can't open the file without a keyword called out file dot open. Yes, this is to open the file which we have saved, and then st.getData. This gets the data from the user, and then we can write the file which is the information which is stored in the file by using the code called outfill.write. And then if the record is not found in the file, then we can say that ignore, it just ignores. Then display all. This is what this body is used to display all the information which is stored in the record. And this display sp is to specially display some register numbers. So we can search the student the register number. We are giving input value as a register number, and then it stores manually one by one. And if it finds, it shows the data using the code called st.showData. And we are initializing flag equal to 1 because if flag gets 1, then it comes out of the loop. Otherwise, it again runs. And then we are modifying the student information in found equal to 0. We are creating a student variable st and then fstream. Fstream is to display the information in the file, and then we can modify each student by using the same register number. We are checking whether it's equal to n, then we are getting inside a loop, and then please enter the new details of the student. We are again getting the student's information once more, and we are replacing with the old one. And then we are displaying that record is updated, or else if its register number is not found, the record is not found. We are displaying that record is not found. We can also delete in this program. We can also delete the student information using this coding. In this, we are again reading a file by using ifstream, and then if the file is not found, we are displaying that file cannot be found. It's not able to open. Or else if it's found, then outstream we can write this. Using this we can write, and then we are searching based on the register number. If the register number is found, then it automatically deletes the found file found register number information using remove keyword. And then classes, and this is used to display the given information in the form of a record as a class itself. Still now we have displayed the result of each student. Now this is a class result which displays the result of all the students. We have given a certain specified format. First it displays register number, name, mark of physics, chemistry, maths, English, and CS, and also the average percentage of that, and also grade. And then in the result, we are giving a menu as class result, student record, report card, back to menu. In this class result displays the as given above the result of whole class, and then the student's report card, it gives it has nearly 9 options separately, and then back to menu brings it back to the main menu. And then intro, as intro is gives the information of us who have created the project, and then and return to the asset. In this we have a menu called student report card. In this we will have this 9 options like return, entry menu, create student record. We can create a student record, we can display all the records, we can search, modify, delete, etc. And then we are asking the user for a choice which from 1 to 6. 1 it writes, 2 displays, and 3 displays based on the register number, 4 modifies and highlights, 6 break because it ends the function. That's it. It's the explanation of the program. Now we can see the output.
Hello everyone, I am Alan. As my teammates Noble and Sharon explained the program, I'm going to explain the output of this program now. So see, this is a main menu here, and we're going to select the. So we're going to enter data now. So we'll press 2, and we're going to create a record now. To create a student record, we have to press 1. So we are giving the roll number as something like 1282, 123, anything you want, and the name. So any number, any mark for physics and all the subjects which were given in the program, we are going to give it now. So the student record has been created now. So we'll go back to the menu and display the student records. So these are the records we have already done before. So we'll search for a record now, which is 3. So we have searched for a roll number 1223. So this is the record, and it shows all the name, the marks of the subjects, and the percentage of the student and the grade. So now we'll again go to the main menu and we'll modify the record now. So we have to enter the roll number which we want to modify now. So this is the roll number, and it comes all the details after you give the roll number. So now what we have to do is we have to give if you want to modify the roll number, we can give a different number like 1224 in this case, and we can modify everything, his name, his marks and everything. So we're giving him a different name and all different marks. So the record has been updated now. So we'll go back to the menu. Now we are going to search, we are going to delete a student record now. For that we have to press 5, enter the roll number. So we'll enter the roll number what we created now. Just now we modified, we created, we'll delete that one now. So it shows that this record, this roll number of 1224 has been deleted, and we have shown all this menu what this does. So you go back to main menu. So this is the program for what we have done for our project.